Hi, I'm Jocelyn. Welcome to my Black Lightning reaction and review show. Okay, so tonight we're gonna see what happens when Khalil and Jen go off on their own, living their teenage dreams. So, tonight we are going to watch Black Lightning, Season 2, Episode 8, and the title is called The Book of Rebellion, Chapter 1, Exodus. Why did you pick that place?
What are you doing?
I gotta make a stop.
Are you kidding me?
Look, all my stuff is at my place and we're gonna need money on the run. Hang tight. I'll be back.
Hurry, Khalil.
Tobias wants me to collect every Tuesday.
It could be that. Or there's a bounty on your nappy ass head. 100 stacks. So maybe you're trying to grab a few bands before you dip. Yeah. What up, painkiller?
Dang, he ain't wasting time. What is that? Ooh. Dang! Holy crap, man. Yep, you better run that city. You better go. Oh my God, she's crazy. She's gonna do like her father, watch. Crazy. Come on, Jen. That's cool. That's cool. Come on, let's go! Bonnie and Clyde. Yeah. Ooh, I love it.
Hey, let me go. Get on the street. Please, hey, man, come on. Let me go, man. Come on, man.
Superman.
Any idea why she might have run off?
I'm not sure. It's something to do with our decision to homeschool her.
So far this opening for Black Lightning is really good. I like how they started off with Jen and Khalil. They're like out on the run. He tries to get some money. That was a cool scene to actually see Khalil in action as Painkiller, you know, with his darts and just all over the place. And then Jen. I mean, let's focus on her. The way she generated that, okay, I'm gonna say energy ball because I don't know what we would call that, but that energy ball, and just threw it out there, blinded all of them. That was so awesome. But now it's like a Bonnie and Clyde moment kind of thing. I don't know, but this is not gonna be a good date for her. So he's getting money. It's like, I gotta take my lady to a restaurant, but oh no. Oh, teenagers in love. Okay, but you know, as parents, I can definitely sense like with Jefferson with those flashbacks, I think they're feeling like they didn't give much attention to her. All they wanted to do was just protect her, but it just backfired because she felt like, Jen felt like she'd been in a cage and she couldn't stand it anymore. And that's when she just broke loose. So I think as parents, with me being a parent too, I'm just thinking that, they were so focused on the Green Mile, the babies, and they didn't really, they didn't know what to do, right? I mean, this is all new territory for this whole family. Like the two girls, they got powers. And then Black Lightning and Tobias and just all this stuff, So everything's just, their foundation has been rocked. They haven't developed that structure, and all they knew what to do was just protect Jen and keep her at home. So now this has happened. So I think I can definitely sense a lot of guilt that they're dealing with, and they just need to get her back. And this is mad at Gamby, at Uncle Gamby, for keeping it a secret. I think it's because she's been so hurt, for the fact that she thought she lost her uncle. So I think this was going to happen. So let's get it going on. And I love that so much more. I love that guy. All right.
This one?
Oh, Jen, it's not looking good.
What you doing?
It's just a little trick I picked up from the 100.
Jen,
Watch out, I got this. Okay, we need to get you a phone so I can call my parents.
Say what? No, absolutely not. That's too much of a risk. They'll know where we are.
No, they won't. I'll be smart about it. I'll make sure the call can't be traced.
Jay, listen to me. You don't understand Tobias, okay? If he finds me,
He won't find you. All I'm doing is calling my parents.
Jen, I said no. Okay, I can't go back.
You really need to calm down. They have the right.
Jen!
ooh.
I said no. I said no!
I tried all of Jen's
Oh,
friends.
you better get out of that
No
car.
one's heard from her.
I think I found something.
Ooh.
Whoa. What was that?
I think you mean who?
Jennifer. Call my dad. Tell
Late
Oh.
night.
Oh, Khalil's mom.
Perhaps what you need is a good read. Always puts me right to sleep. Moby Dick, one of my favorites.
I guess you're here to put me to sleep.
Actually, I have a strict no mama rule. I believe a man has to have principles. But
So down his
I do need you to contact your son. Tell him to keep his thick lips shut.
I thought he was with you.
He left town with that Pierce girl. Boy knows a lot about my business. I have plans. I'd surely hate to have to change those plans.
I don't have no way to reach him. Even if I did, you'd have to kill me first.
Okay.
I respect that.
You gonna kill her?
You're a strong black woman, I can tell. How'd you wind up with such a weak-ass son?
Oh my God, I thought.
Khalil,
Moxie, look, people I have to rest. We need.
I'm gonna get the rest of our things.
Hey. Like, I'm sorry. Okay, I shouldn't have yelled at you like that before.
Yeah, you should be sorry. What the hell was that?
Something just came over me. Okay? Jen, the things Tobias did to me, I mean, hitting me, burning me. I just didn't want him to find us. I snapped.
And you snap at me like that again, and Tobias is gonna be the last person you don't have to worry about.
Ooh.
I will light your ass up. You need to remember that.
Yes.
No.
This is so good. Okay, so Jen is now an accomplice. I mean, like I said, she's now an accomplice to whatever they're trying to do. This is not the kind of life that they can continue on with. I'm seeing at the end of this episode, maybe we're going to see the end of Khalil, you think? I don't know. I mean, I think he's probably going to feel some sort of guilt because, I mean, this is not the kind of life Jen deserves, and he knows that. So I think my prediction is probably going to sacrifice himself for her so she doesn't get hurt or something like that. I'm just guessing. Speculation. But yeah, she's using her power. She could just start that car. And yep, she just told Khalil, you know what? I can light your ass. Yes, she can. She can, like, kill him. So that is so cool. And also for the fact, you know what? I want to talk about Henderson real quick. Henderson. So, you know, he's out there looking for Jen, and he says, and Lynn says, you know, I know you and Jefferson haven't been, like, getting along, and you haven't been close with all this stuff, but he's like, you know what? No. Jen is like a niece to me, and so he sees her as family, so he's doing everything he can, but I mean, that must be something to go see another, you know, unidentified body, and then to try and identify it. And just for that fear that it could be her, that's just, you know?
Raising your dad and being a part of your family is the best thing in my life. Leaving you guys was the hardest thing I've ever done, but I had to do it in order to protect you. And if you don't believe anything else, just believe that.
Okay, well, we're not a family without Jen. So keep looking, okay? She's gotta be somewhere out there.
She's drinking a lot. Uh-oh.
Hey, this is Jen. Leave a message.
Drinking a lot. Oh, she's gonna find her other stash. I think. Uh-oh.
Wait, just leave it. It's okay. Just leave it.
Oh, finally. I wasn't feeling it.
There's gotta be some way that we can disguise my identity.
Sorry, brother. These locks gotta go.
Wait, hold up. You didn't like them?
No.
You look like Whoopi Goldberg. Plus, aren't they just gonna grow back anyway?
No, stop taking the regeneration pills that make them grow so fast. I don't really care if we're running. As long as I'm with you.
Tilt your head.
Oh, wait.
Tilt your head. What is that? You got some kind of lump back here.
Huh. Where?
You need to get that checked out. It might be cancer.
Alright, come on. Like, how much longer we gotta go? We still gotta do your hair.
Don't even joke like that.
Yo, it's just a weave.
Yeah, an expensive one. I don't care who's chasing me. I'm not cutting this for nobody. You got that?
Okay.
His pawn
Our
is gone.
plan
His pawn.
failed, Tori. That boy. We were supposed to make Black Lightning his enemy. But he's weak. You're right. That is my problem, isn't it? I get stubborn and try things over and over again. Well, not anymore. From now on, if something ain't working, I'm going to change it.
Maybe it has something to do with the fact that, I don't know, you and Mom never let her out the house? That you treated her like she was some kind of prisoner?
Wait, we didn't treat her like a prisoner. We were trying to protect her.
No, you were just trying to control her. You act like she was some kind of freak or a monster. All your rules, your quotes, and all your phone check-ins, it was too much, Dad. Too damn much. You drove her away. Just like you did me.
I thought you could use something of your own.
Ooh! He's just designing it! Yeah! Nice! Yeah!
Yeah. But I want him alive.
If you have a tracker, what do you need me for? To dive him yourself.
Have you not seen the news lately? I'm an upstanding citizen now. I can't risk doing it.
So, lady, hide. You're right. Why pretend?
Whoa! Woo! Dang! Ooh! Oh! Oh! Scary! Toaster? What is that? Toaster! Wow! Crazy! 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 Woo! Damn! Woo! Oh! Oh! Oh, daddy! Nice! Okay, that was such a cool scene. Did anyone get her name? I forgot. I don't know her name. Tori, real quick. Tobias. Is that his wife? It's gotta be his wife. I'm like, gotta be his mother. It's gotta be his wife. In which timeline? You know what I mean? Wow. That's it. It's an interesting angle to see Tobias from that perspective of him all alone and the person who he is consulting and just confiding with for guidance and wisdom is his dead wife on the wall. But oh, she's scary. That lady's scary. And her knives trick. But okay, Khalil's got that toaster. That's so cool. But oh, that was a really cool scene. And now Black Lightning and Thunder, they're there. Ooh, that ride is so cool. Yeah, so that's what Gambia was designing. Uncle Gambia was designing Anissa's new, what is that? It's not an ATV. Is that what he designed her? That was just so cool, so cool. All right, and Lynn, okay, Mama. Oh, she's drinking a lot. I mean, I feel for her, and she's been drinking a lot, you know, when she lost those pod babies, now she lost her own babies, and then she's just tearing up Jen's room. I can feel that because that's her baby. That's her baby. But I love how Jefferson's taking care of her, and Jefferson put her to bed, you know. But yeah, I'm glad Anissa said that to her dad because it was just too much. So I hope that was a check for Jefferson. Oh, there's more. He's not gonna bleed out, is he? Okay.
Damn it. All right, so what do we do to get it out? Wait, no, hell no. You ain't coming nowhere near me with that thing.
You got a better idea?
Remember, I don't care if I'm running.
No electricity.
The hell I ain't.
Oh, she was still hiding from her dad. Wow, they still gonna be on the run?
To have to fight metas without warning.
Metas?
I didn't stutter. 2 of them showed up at the house. Black lightning and thunder.
Black Lightning? What the hell does Black Lightning want with Khalil? Or is it the Pierce girl? Pierce girl again.
Next week will be the mid-season finale. Okay, I thought it was tonight, but okay, it's next week. It's also with the crossover. Okay, I'm gonna have to watch the crossover first and then do this one. Just FYI. Crossover first, and then I'll do a reaction to the mid-season finale. Okay, where do I start? Okay, for Khalil's looking so good. I gotta just say, I love his look. But those two, I thought, you know what? I actually thought that with her dad saving them, I thought she was gonna be like, okay, Dad, but no, she's really running away from her family. She doesn't want to be with her family because if she goes back, then that's going to be the same family life that she has. She's going to be locked up in her room again, or even worse, so she doesn't want to go back home. Wow. I did not expect that. I did not expect them to still be running. Wow. Okay. And so the Cutter, her name's the Cutter. Oh, wow. Okay. So I'm thinking her and Anissa will probably have a showdown next week. That'd be really cool. Or maybe with Black Lightning. I still think, I'm thinking we're going to lose Khalil. I'm thinking we're going to lose him. Like some sort of sacrifice for Jen. I just, you know, it's like a redemption story. It's been his redemption story so far. So that's just kind of like what I'm thinking. And I wish Jen would have explained that to her father or something, but they all think that, you know, probably Khalil's still bad news, but nice. Now Tobias doesn't have any tracker on him. Whew, I don't know. This episode was like really good. It was very suspenseful. It was intriguing. I stayed grounded, right? So I'm doing better. It's like, oh my God! But it's like, I'm staying grounded. So, so then that's really good. Oh, yeah, I'm just loving this. I'm loving this about Jen and her powers, and now she's like, no, that's not enough, and okay, that's too much. So good. All right, so let's just do shout outs. Tell me what your predictions are, what you think about this episode, and we are gonna have the mid-season finale next week. Okay, so I want to do shout outs and say a thank you so much to Dirk Gently, White Noise Maker, Real Takes with Dash. Dash. D-A-C-H. Real Takes with Dash. So nice to meet you. Naka. James Hopkins. Amp Dog 2. Okay. Given J, right? It's not Jiven. Is it Jiven? Help me out. Given J. I'm thinking Given. Givon. No, I'm saying Givon. Givon J. Any closer? Okay. Daryl, I feel. M1 Hoff, Zane Silamian, and Michael Maxey. Alright, so everyone, tell me what you think about this episode. This is so good. I'm so happy that we're really getting to the meat of all this. And man, mid-season finale. Alright, so hey, you can follow me on my Instagram page and Facebook. Watch Jocelyn RP channel. And I will see you next week. Like, share, subscribe. Bye.